Good day, I am Engineer Adewale. I want to put you through on how to run the examination management web application. So, I'm going to run it on client to server base. That is, we have a computer that will be the server, and we have the clients that will be communicating to the server. So the exam will be carried out on the client, while the server will be for the administration management. Okay, to run the client to server base, we have to connect to a network. The system, I'm going to use this laptop. This one will serve as the server, while this one will serve as the client, and other computers can be connected as clients. Alright, so first thing is you connect both system or all the computers you want to use, connect it to a network. So I'm going to use this router to connect both of my computers. I've actually connected the computers to this router, and the router is not connected to the internet. So I remove the SIM. Anyways, it's not connected to the internet. As you can see, that the network is limited, so it's not connected to the internet. Alright, so once the two computers, this one serve as the client, as this one serving as the server, they are both connected to this same network. Alright, I've set up and configured the examination management on the server using SAMP server to local host it. I've done that. I'm just going to put you through and show you the functionality of the examination management. Alright, so open XAMPP. This is XAMPP server. Start both the Apache and my SQL. Apache and my SQL are started. You can minimize the SAMP. Then you go to any of your web browser. Localhost. I will need to locate the htdocs of my web application. I have it already here. Localhost online examination system. But firstly, I'm going to log into the admin panel, so which has another link. Admin panel /admin. As you can see, I run it. It brings sign in for me, so I'm going to sign in with my admin login. Engineer Adewale, my password, so I'm gonna log in. Now I'm in the admin dashboard of the management. This is the admin dashboard of the management. At the left hand side here, the panel, we have main course. If you click on the main course, you will see add course, where you can add course. If you click on the exam, you add exam, you manage exam. Then we have manage examiner, that is the student. Then we have ranking and the reports, and we have feedback here in case if any student send a feedback. Alright, so first thing is you add course. Okay, I'm going to use, click on course. manage course. I have a course I've added, which is computer science. I've added computer science. So then under the course, I'm going to add another course, input course. So I'm inputting course name. Let's say, for example, we are taking mechanical engineering, for example. That is the course the students will be offering. In secondary school now we have science, arts, and commercial. It's just like that. But here, let's say we have mechanical engineering, we have computer science, computer engineering, and all that. Let's use computer engineering as the new course. Mechanical engineering as the new course. Add now. Success. So as you can see, the course is added already. You can update the course if you want to. You update it here. You can delete it. You don't want it. Alright, the next thing is to go to exam. Go to exam. Under the exam, click on manage exam. I have some exam I added just for a test run. Under, I added chemistry, physics under computer science course, as you can see. Alright, so I added mathematics. Okay, now let's add exam. We are adding exam here now. Add exam. So first thing you'll be asked to do is to select course. You are adding exam under which course. For example, if it is secondary school now, let's say under science course now you are adding biology. Sure you understand? Okay, under mechanical engineering, what are you adding? Exam time, that is the duration of the exam. The highest time is 60 minutes. That's 1 hour. So question limit to display, that is how many questions are you adding. Let's say we have 100 questions we are adding to the exam. Exam title, the title of the exam, okay, let's call it mechanical engineering, MEE 112. Let's say MEE 112. Description, let's call it mechanical course 1, mechanical course 1. That's the description. Okay, I'm going to add now success. I've added, as you can see, MEE 112. Alright, so you can add other courses if you want, other exams, if you want to add. Let's close this now. So you can see I have exam here, MEE 112 under mechanical engineering. Okay, so now I will go to manage. I will need to manage the exam I just added. Time limit 60 seconds. Display limit 100 question. Manage. Here now I can manage exam. You can see it said no question found. Why? Because we've not added any question under this exam. So we have the exam information, mechanical engineering, that was the course. MEE 112, mechanical course 1, 60 minutes, 100 questions. Alright, so to add question now, you come here, say add question. Now we can add question, input question. Let's say what is matter. What is matter? Okay, let's say what has space. You can add any questions anyway. I just want to put it in good way. What has space? What has weight and occupies space? What has weight? Weight and occupied space. You know, say matter is anything that has weight and occupied. Occupied. Is it 1C or 1P? Okay. Double C, I think. Probably 1P. Okay. Occupied space. Question mark. So the option A, let's say, let's just input anything. Let's say laptop. Okay, laptop is a matter. Anyways, it's just for, sorry, it's just for exercise purpose. Let's just add anything. Laptop. Option B, let's say add disk. Add disk. Option C, let's say bottle water. Option D, let's say router. Okay, you have to input the correct answer. As you can see, you input the correct answer under here, so you go and copy which one you selected as correct answer. Control C, you copied it, you input it here. Control V, just in a glance. It's not going to take your time. Then you have one question added already. See, you add one question, then you add other questions. Okay, for the sake of the time, I'm going to close this. So if you want to add question, you still come here. You see the question we added is here now, and you see the right answer is marked green. Don't forget we are on admin panel. It's only admin that has access to this. The student doesn't have access to this. So you can update your question, you can delete it, you can add more questions. Alright, so after you're done, then you come here, you update. Okay, now we've had exam. Now under examining, that is the student examining, that is the student that's going to take the exam. If you want to see all the students or the examining, you click on manage examining. We have examining here. So if you want to add, you add examining. Okay, let's input a full name of the examining. Let's say Peter. Let's just, okay, let's just add any date of birth. Let's add any date of birth. Okay. Oh. That's okay. The year. Let's add any year. Let's say 2007. Let's say May 1. Okay. Now we have the